Hello student, now we have to discuss about geography paper third, that is GG 203 practical geography map projection. Unit 2 classification of map projection. There are various criteria used for the classification of a map projection. However, the most frequently used classifications are according to method of construction, according to characteristics of a map projection, means properties of map projection, then according to use of light. The map projections are divided as based on the method of construction, based on the developable surface, based on the global properties preserved in. In this way, there is a classification of map projection. About the first one, that is the based on the method of construction. There are two types. These are perspective projections and non-perspective projection. Then the projections based on the developable surface, which includes zenithal projections, conical projections, cylindrical projections, and a conventional projection. Then the classification is on the basis of the global properties preserved in homolographic, orthomorphic projection and azimuthal projection. Based on the method of construction, first one is perspective projection. The word perspective means the art of representing solid object on a flat surface. प्रक्षेपणे तयार करण्यासाठी प्रकाशाचा वापर करणे किंवा न करणे यावर आधारित प्रक्षेपणाचे दोन गटात विभाजन केले जाते. त्यामध्ये परिप्रेक्ष्य प्रक्षेपणे म्हणजे पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह प्रोजेक्शन्स आणि अपरिप्रेक्ष्य प्रक्षेपणे म्हणजेच नॉन पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह मॅप प्रोजेक्शन. इथे पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह मॅप प्रोजेक्शन्स ग्लोबवरील म्हणजेच पृथ्वीगोलावरील जे काही ग्रॅटिक्यूल आहे, अक्षवृत्ते आणि रेखावृत्ते, दिव्याचा उपयोग करून सपाट पृष्ठभागावर प्रक्षेपणे तयार केली जातात. ती प्रक्षेपणे या ग्रुपमध्ये मोडतात. दिव्याच्या साहाय्याने पृथ्वीगोलावरील अक्षवृत्ते व रेखावृत्तांच्या ज्या काही सावल्या कागदावर गिरून काढल्या जातात, त्यामध्ये काही खांबमध्य प्रक्षेपणे या प्रकारच्या गटात समाविष्ट होतात. In a perspective map projection, the parallels and meridians of the globe are represented on a surface geometrically from a point. It is also known as geometrical projection. There are three types of surfaces on which graticule of the globe is transferred, and they are cylindrical perspective projection, conical perspective projection, zenithal perspective projection, then non-perspective projection. In these projections, the layout of graticule is modified with mathematical calculation. या प्रकारच्या प्रक्षेपणांमध्ये दिव्याचा वापर केला जात नाही, व प्रक्षेपणे काढली जातात. ही प्रक्षेपणे काढताना गणिती तत्वावर तयार केली जातात, ज्यामध्ये समक्षेत्र, अचूक अंतर, योग्य प्रमाण इत्यादी या प्रक्षेपणाचे काही प्रमुख गुणधर्म आहेत. Those projections which are modified mathematically and may acquire certain particular properties to satisfy needs. It no longer remains a perspective projection. Such projections are called non-perspective projections. They can never be transferred by means of source of light on any developable surface. Hence, all non-perspective projections are also non-developable projections. Then projections which are derived by geometrical and mathematical methods can be grouped as perspective projections and non-perspective projections. Here about the perspective projections, first one is a zenithal projection, zenithal polar projection, zenithal equatorial, then zenithal oblique are the perspective projection. Then zenithal equidistance, zenithal equal area, non-perspective projection. Conical projections, non-perspective projections. Conical projections here, these are non-perspective projections. Conical one standard parallel projection, conical two standard parallel projection, Bond's projection, polyconic projection, international projection. Then cylindrical projection, cylindrical equidistance projection, cylindrical equal area projection, Mercator's projection, Gall's projection. Then conventional projection, sinusoidal projection, Mollwitz projection, globular projection. In this way, there are perspective and non-perspective projections. Then conventional projections. In these projections, the parallels and meridians are drawn arbitrarily so as to make the graticule of a projection more useful for specific purposes. These projections are drawn generally for showing the whole world. These projections are obtained without any developable surface on the basis of the mathematical properties, the graticule. Here, प्रक्षेपणांच्या गुणधर्मावरून वर्गीकरण करण्यात आलेले आहे. म्हणजे काय, the classification of projection according to properties means according to characteristics. Here, homolographic projection, equal area or homolographic projection. A projection which is preserved the true geographical area called homolographic or equal area projection. Then ऑर्थोमॉर्फिक प्रोजेक्शन, योग्य आकार दर्शक प्रक्षेपणे. Here it is also known as a conformal or true shape projection. It aims at maintaining the shape of any earth pattern mapped when the meridians and parallels intersect at right angles. The scale should be same at any point in all directions. For the example, Mercator's projection, stereographic projection, and so on. Then azimuthal projections, योग्य दिशादर्शक प्रक्षेपणे. The word azimuth means direction, and directions of all points from the center of this projection is correct. It attempts to present true bearing or directions. Hence, it is also known as true bearing projection. In this way, there is a classification of map projection based on the global properties preserved in includes homolographic projections, orthographic projections, azimuthal projections. Next part will be continued. Thank you.